All right, so here we are. It is, what did I say, 24th? And we are ready to rock and roll here. So just added another honey super. I'm not pulling honey. I could, but next week will be a big pull is what I'm gonna do. Big plans for next week. So just gonna take it in here and hopefully, like the past few weeks, we will have an uneventful brood inspection. Here we are. Like I said, we're at the farm, so you're gonna hear trucks, all kinds of noises. But anyways, this is my super procedure cell frame every week. I didn't cut them down last week, so we'll see what they did this week. I doubt they'll put an egg in it. Nope, that one looks... All right, so 3 super procedure cups. She's got some brood on the outside here. And that's open, so they're not honey bound. And she's spread all the way across to the outer frame. Looks good. She looks really good. So they're using their space wisely. Everything's getting moved up. And that is a beautiful frame of brood. So what do we got on the bottom here? Anything good? Nope. I don't see, this is the part I don't like. Maybe it's just me, but I like to keep this section clean. So that way you'll see the swarm cells and the cups very easily. Right now, they could tuck one in the corner right there and you wouldn't even really see it. But anyways, looks good. Looks like it's a majority drone brood on the bottom right there. So she looks good. Like I said, we've already passed the summer solstice. So have we passed swarm season? I would say no, but I'd say we're closer to the end. Like I said, I don't know if I said it in this video or the other one, but we haven't had rain in almost 2 weeks. So I'm imagining that the flow is going to start to slow down here unless we get rain soon. But we've had a good run so far. Very good run. So what I'm hoping for is nothing. We got a cup on the bottom I see right away. Just making sure I don't have my queen here. And all right, what do we got? What do we got, girls? Just a cup. I'll take it. So they're just making cups so far, which they'll be doing all year long anyways, but no swarm preparations. So I only got 1 3-frame split off of this hive so far. Some of my other ones I've gotten 2, but that's it. One split off of this hive. That's a huge pollen frame. Beautiful pollen frame. That's pollen and brood. She's got it pretty much right up into the corners, and then the corners is right in here. Right down in here, if you can see. Right down in here, that's pollen. They've got pollen in the corners. They're not putting nectar in the corners. So I like what I see. I'm almost halfway? Halfway through? Okay, all right, girls, all right. I know, I got more propolis on my fingers right now. That didn't make anybody happy. Hold on, hold on. All right. So halfway through and nothing. I like it. I like it, I'll take it. I'm probably thinking, I just added a honey super, so I'm gonna let that go. Do a big honey pull next week, and then we're going to, all right, that's all eggs. It's good. Big honey pull, and then maybe we'll start thinking about doing another round of splits. If I wait too long, I'm not gonna have enough time, and I don't think I'll have enough drawn comb to help them out. But if I make a 2 or 3 frame split, they gotta get to 10 frames by winter, so you gotta give them a little bit of time. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is all brood. All right, girls. All brood. That looks great. Looks good. Looks good. All right, where is she? Do we miss her? Am I paying attention to the wrong things? Let's see. Maybe she's laying on the other end. Whew, that's all brood and pollen. That's all brood. So what did I just say? 24th of June. And she's still laying up monster frames. So I gave them space. And definitely got to start thinking about another split. All right, girls. 2 frames left. I know, you guys are getting a little irritated. Come on, here we go. Nothing to worry about. Hooey. All right, that's all young larvae. Let me make sure I don't have her here first. And that's all larvae getting capped. I don't see her running around. Okay. So when we talk about sheets of young larvae, and I don't know if this is going to come through, but little larvae right in there, white little grubs. That is a sheet. So that'll be a whole, next week we come back, that'll be a sheet of brood, cat brood. All right, ladies. All right, one more, and then I'm done. I'm done. So is she from end to end? She laying across 10 frames? The answer is yes. There's eggs on that. All right, so that needs to get worked. I don't expect to find her in there, but let's look. And that is, I'm gonna spin this one. So this is one of her, this is probably one, ooh. This is one I gave them brand new when I did the split. So I'm just gonna spin it. So that's it. I'm gonna put this back together. You don't need to watch that. But thank you for watching another uneventful brood inspection.